Beautiful morning. 14 degrees. Picturesque snow-covered world. All cameras are focused on the beautiful sunrise this morning. Can't get better than this. A sunny break between the snowstorm. It's Monday, February 11th at 1:30 p.m. and it's again snowing. Temperature's a little warmer at 35 degrees. I sure hope this is the last blast of this winter event. One more time, we shoveled the driveway this morning. There was about 3 inches of fresh snow from overnight. It's snowing hard again. Temperature is 33 and it's sticking. Shadow's loving it. She's out here by choice. Diane shoveled off the snow. 10 minutes later, it already has a half an inch or more. I wonder what we'll wake up to tomorrow. Enough snow has coated every limb to make it look magical. Lily escaped.
Hey Lily, where are you?
Where'd she go?
I'm gonna go see if she's in the garage.
You see her?
Yeah. Lily, come on. Come on, Lily. Come on, Lily. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on. Come on, Lily. Come on. No, she went. I can't grab her. There's not very much fat there.
There you go.
My goodness, come here. Oh, you stinker. Come on, Lily.
Another 3 inches or so of heavy snow fell overnight. We're trying to get as much snow off the RV as we can. Diane's braving it on the ladder there. While she's working on RV, I'm working on the roof. Just getting the edge of it as much as I can. So when the rains come, the water and the melting snow has a place to go. Kind of hate to destroy those icicles, but one-handed. Watch out, Hummer. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah. He's back. Sorry, guy. We'll be better now for you, I think. Nice little swing. It just occurred to me that the reason for these long icicles on this side of the house is that we have leaf filters installed in these gutters, not on the front of the house. Billy, she's watching the birds. She slipped by me out the door, but that's okay for a little snow time and bird time. Fortunately, it's not too cold. It's 40 degrees. Things are melting. It's Wednesday morning, February 13th. More snow is coming down. Heavy, wet, slushy snow. And we're shoveling it off just because we want it out of here. This is essentially hopeless. Not sure why we're doing this, but we got to keep up with it somehow, otherwise we're just going to be one big slush fest. We received an email and phone call confirmation that they're going to make every effort to pick up the trash today. Good luck with that. All the work we did clearing the edge of the roof and top of the RV yesterday, well, at least we got a lot of the weight off in advance of this final blast of slush. Well, we're done clearing the driveway, but is the snowstorm over? It looks hopeless. Wow, the whole herd is here. Oh, they're feasting on the collapsed laurel hedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.